Want to know what your brake pads actually do? We've got you covered with this easy guide to learn everything about your brake pads at our dealership. You know how important brakes are, right? But do you know how they work? Brake pads are one of the most important components of a braking system since they are the part that actually brings your car to a stop. But how do they do it, you ask? Well, brake pads apply pressure to a car's brake rotors. Brake rotors are the disc, sometimes visible through a car's hubcap, that brake pads clamp down on. Many different materials are used for different types of cars. For instance, high-end sports cars typically rely on extremely durable and expensive ceramic pads. Most cars on the road use metallic brake pads made of a mixture of metals like copper, iron, steel, and graphite because they have a long life. Brake pads can last anywhere between 25,000 to 70,000 miles. This depends on your car, climate, and driving style. The warmer the pads are, the smoother the brake and the less effort braking takes. Also, here's some signs your brake pads may need to be replaced. A thin pad. Peek through your spokes. If your pad is less than 1/4 of an inch thick, it's time for a new set. Grinding or squeaking noises when braking. Pulling. If your car pulls to one side when braking, your pads could be wearing unevenly. Get this checked out ASAP to prevent damage to other components of your braking system. If you're experiencing any of these issues or think you may be in need of some new brake pads, come see us at Toyota of Orlando.